What's up everyone, welcome to another video. So today we're going to see how fast this Traxxas Slash 4x4 can go. So setup wise, I have the regular Traxxas VXL 3S motor and speed controller in there. A 54 tooth spur gear, 14 tooth pinion gear. We might put the high speed pinion in later. But that's all that, and over here I'll be using this Traxxas 2-cell lipo. So nothing super fancy. Here's the high speed pinion gear. It's an 18 tooth, so I'm not sure how much of a difference it'll actually make, but we'll have to try it out and see. There we go, the GoPro's all in there. Looks absolutely amazing. Now we just gotta go test it out and see how fast it goes. Alrighty, we're outside, got the GoPro on, GPS is on. Now, if you have a guess as to how fast it would go, put it in the comments. Okay, my guess 37, Landon's thinking 40. We will see what it might be nothing even close to that. It might be like 30. Yeah. But yeah, let's see. All way off, only 32. I thought it would be 37. Okay, so this is the one that was in it just a second ago, and this is the one that we're putting in. So this is an 18 from a 14. So a pretty big difference. I mean, not terribly huge, but we'll see how it works. Alrighty, got the high-speed pinion gear in now, and just testing it just to make sure that everything is all put back together correctly. It looks like it's just gonna fly. That was half throttle. So I think this will definitely go like 40, at least. Hopefully, it better go 40. If it doesn't go 40, I'm gonna be kind of mad, because then I'm gonna have to go get bigger gears to make it go past 40. But hopefully, and we will see. Was the top speed that this reached with the high-speed pinion gear. Now if you messed around with the gearing more, and especially if you got a 3-cell lipo, I'm sure you can make it go way faster, but with the setup I have, 37 is the top I think I can reach. And now that I figured out the whole GoPro thing so I can actually see the speedometer on the screen, we're going to try this on the Mini Slash and the Telluride. So that'll be super awesome. Videos coming on that very, very soon, so subscribe so you don't miss it.